For lesson 3.5, we are doing an introduction to probability. Probably. Our target for the day is I can recognize probabilities that are likely and unlikely, and I can express probabilities as fractions, decimals, and percents. What is a probability, you might ask? It is the measure of how likely it is that something will occur or happen. The probability that something will occur can be written as a fraction, a decimal, or a percent. When it is written as a percent, the probability something will occur is between 0% or not likely at all to 100% as in definitely going to happen. When you write it as a fraction or a decimal, the probability something will occur is from 0 to 1, similar to a batting average. The more likely something will occur, the closer its probability is to 1. The less likely something is to occur, the closer its probability is to 0. Example 1, determine whether each event is impossible, unlikely, equally likely, likely, or certain. So we're dealing with a 1 to 5 scale here. 1 being absolutely impossible, certain being 5. Equally likely is a 3 or 50%. Sort of like when I do a fist to 5 in the classroom and I ask you, give me a fist to 5 on whether or not you understand this, and you give me a 1 if you got nothing, and I've got it down. So let's look at this. A card thrown on the floor lands face up, like a regular old playing card. Is this event impossible, unlikely, equally likely, likely, or certain? Well, the card has two faces, and it's equally likely that either will show up. It can land either face up or face down. One is not more likely than the other. You roll a 2 on a regular number cube, a 6-sided dice, rolling a 2. Is it impossible, unlikely, equally likely, likely, or certain? Well, probabilistically, it's a fun word, it is unlikely since there are 6 numbers on the number cube and 2 is only one of the numbers. 1 out of 6 is less than equally likely. You are older now than you were when you were born. Is this impossible, unlikely, equally likely, likely, or certain? Well, that is certain. You are definitely older now than when you were born. Probability seems pretty simple.